Live the good life with us at Coronado and Parkway Apartments. Unbeatable amenities, outstanding customer service, and exciting resident activities welcome you home. Our inviting swimming pool will draw you in for a refreshing dip, and our beautifully landscaped property is just the place for you to enjoy an evening walk. You don't have to go far from home to take care of your laundry at our well-equipped facility, and several of our units offer covered parking. You'll never feel cramped in our spacious 1 or 2 bedroom floor plans, which boast large closets and an open layout. Staying cool and comfortable is easy with air conditioning and ceiling fans. Your kitchen features plenty of cabinet and counter space for easy meal prep. And you're sure to love your enormous patio or balcony with extra storage, allowing you to keep your home neat and organized. Our community is conveniently located near shopping centers, schools, medical facilities, and restaurants. Central Park and Lake Elizabeth are within walking distance, and you won't have to travel far for a delicious bite to eat. We've got it all, and it could be yours. Stop by Coronado and Parkway Apartments today to learn more.